When peace shall rule the earth, its ancient splendor